Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the connector and port so you insert the correct end. This prevents damage and wasted time. Once you confirm the USB type, USB-A or USB-C, align the plug gently and insert it straight, not angled. If you plan to transfer files, unlock the device and grant permission when prompted so the computer can read the drive. Make sure to pause large tasks so the system mounts the storage reliably and you don't corrupt data. Once the drive appears, open your file manager and inspect its folders before moving anything. This helps avoid overwriting. You can drag and drop, or choose copy then paste to preserve originals. Use batch selection for many items to save time. If transferring large files, monitor progress so you know when writes finish. Do not disconnect mid-write because that causes corruption. After transfers complete, verify file integrity. Then prepare to remove. You finish by using the safe eject option so cached writes flush and the file system stays intact. If the USB is not recognized, try a different port or another cable because many issues are physical. Once done, reboot the host if needed to reload drivers. If errors persist, run the operating system's disk repair utility to fix file table issues, or reformat only after backing up recoverable data. This restores usability when corruption is the underlying problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.